factor tree of 312. So 312, it can be written as 2 times 156. So 2 times 156 mean it is 312. So 156, it can be written as 2 times 78. 2 times 78 mean 156. 78, it can be written as 2 times 39. 2 times 39 mean 78, and 39, it can be written as 3 times 13. 3 times 13 mean 39. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 13. So we can write 312 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 2 times this 2 times this 3 and times this 13. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.